Let's take a look at some of the features for this product. Zoomer is the new robotic dog from Spin Master that looks like a Dalmatian puppy. When Zoomer is released, it should have around 30 trainable commands. This is great fun for children who want a pet dog, but who are still too young for the responsibility of a real dog. Now let's take a look at some of the negative aspects for this product. One downside to Zoomer is that a full charge that takes 30 minutes will only give 20 to 40 minutes of playtime. So if a child wants to play, they will only be able to play in 20 to 40 minute segments, rather than a long play session. Now let's take a look at some of the positive aspects. Zoomer is mess-free. No trips to the vets or walks every day, no toilet training, completely hypoallergenic, and no responsibility. Here's our conclusion. Zoomer is much cheaper than an alternative of a real dog, but can provide all the same affection and entertainment. Both parents and children seem to fall in love with this robotic dog. For more information on this product, click on the link below.